Hello and welcome. Today we will learn about how to assign mailbox delegation roles in Office 365. Okay, we will also practically see how this permission works, how these send on behalf, full access permissions actually works. Okay, so let's get started. First of all, what you will need to do, you will just need to log into your Office 365 account. Okay, and then you will need to click on admin option. Okay, from the admin option you will need to click on exchange, and then from exchange admin center you will need to click on recipients. Okay, from recipient you will need to select the mailbox to which you want to assign the mailbox delegation permissions. I am just opening that mailbox. So I have opened the mailbox information of Barry D. Robert. Okay. Now we will click on mailbox delegation and see. I have assigned send as permissions there. Okay. What send as permissions will do? The send as permissions allow a delegate to send email from mailbox. The message will appear to have been sent by the mailbox owner. Okay. So here, see, I have already added Harsh Dikshit. Okay, Harsh Dikshit's email ID. You can add as many email IDs you want there. Okay, you can just select and then you can click on add and okay. Okay, so we have added Harsh Dikshit here. Now we will practically see what we can do with this permission. From Harsh Dikshit's email account, we can now send email to some other persons. Okay, and it will appear like we have sent the email from Barry D. Roberts account. Okay, so let's see how this send as permissions actually work. So we will go back to our Office 365 email account. See, I have logged in as Harsh Dikshit's email ID. Okay, now what I will do, I will click on new message and then I will type a message to Manoj Dwivedi. I will add subject testing send as permissions. Okay, from after doing that you will need to click on these three dots and then just click on show from. Now click on this from option and then you will need to click on other email address. Okay, now you will need to choose the email ID as I am choosing Barry the Robert here, and then you will need to click on send button. Okay, now just go to Manoj Dwivedi's account and see. It will assume that Barry D. Robert has sent this email, but actually who have sent this email? Harsh Dikshit have sent this email. Okay, so this is the use of send as permission. So our next we will see is send on behalf. Okay, so in that see we have used Praveen Dikshit's email account here, and we'll click again on mailbox delegation, and now we will see send on behalf. What it will do, send on behalf permissions allow the delegate to send email on behalf of this mailbox. The from line in any message sent by a delegate indicates that message was sent by a delegate on behalf of the mailbox owner. Okay, so I have already added Harsh Dikshit here. You can add any other email account as per your requirement. So we will see how this actually works. Now we will again create a new message. See, we are again on Harsh Dikshit's email ID. Okay, we will again send a message to Manoj. Okay, now we will add the subject as testing send as send on behalf message. Okay, just a minute. Yes, we have added Harsh Dikshit. Click on save. Okay, just need to cross check. I just want to cross check if I have assigned these permissions or not. Okay, so send on behalf, and now we will again click on these three dots and then show from. Now we will choose other email address, and we have assigned, we have access to Parveen Dixit's email ID. Okay, after that click on send button and then go back to your Manoj Dwivedi's email account and see what here you can see Harsh Dixit on behalf of Parveen Dixit. Okay, so this is the actual use of send on behalf permissions. Okay, now the third option is third option here is we can see in mailbox delegation, that is full access. Okay, the full access permissions allow a delegate to open this mailbox on behalf of mailbox owner. Okay, now we will see how it actually works. I am adding Harsh Dixit here also. So Harsh Dixit can access the account of Manoj Dwivedi. Okay, now we will go back to Harsh Dixit and we will check if we can open Manoj Dwivedi's account. So just click on Harsh Dixit, open another mailbox and then type the name whose mailbox permissions you have and then click on open button. Now see, you can even open Manoj Dwivedi's mailbox also if you have permissions. Okay, so this is all about mailbox delegation permissions. In our previous video, I have explained the difference between mailbox delegation and impersonation rights. So if you have not yet seen that video, you can just view it from my playlist. Okay, thank you. In our next video we will learn about application impersonations. Thank you.